Living with chronic inflammation can be challenging. It can leave you feeling tired and even mess with your sleep. But the good news is, there are foods that can help reduce inflammation, and they're easy to make.
There is a certain recipes. These recipes take no more than 30 minutes, with most requiring 3 steps or less. They're packed with healthy ingredients like fish, beans, and greens that fight inflammation. Perfect for a nutritious and quick dinner after a busy day. This anti-inflammatory meal is full of omega-3 rich salmon, antioxidant-packed beets, and healthy broccoli. Roasted on one pan, this dish is not only healthy but also bursting with flavor. Every bite is satisfying, proving that anti-inflammatory eating can taste amazing. Health impact. This soup helps alleviate symptoms of arthritis, support digestion, and enhance gut health by promoting healthy gut bacteria. It also supports the immune system and reduces the risk of cancer due to its antioxidant properties. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 2 medium-sized beets, peeled and cubed, 1 head of broccoli, cut into florets, 2 tablespoons butter, melted, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 3. Place the cubed beets and broccoli florets on the sheet. 4. In a small bowl, melt the butter and add minced garlic, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. 5. Drizzle the garlic butter over the vegetables. 6. Place the salmon fillets on the same baking sheet. Drizzle with the remaining butter mixture. 7. Roast everything in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. 8. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh lemon wedges. If you enjoyed this nutritious and delicious recipe for garlic butter roasted salmon with beets and broccoli, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest health-boosting recipes. Stay healthy and keep nourishing your body.